Greetings, this is Evan. This video is to show a proof of concept of programming by voice inspired by Tavis Rudd's talk. There's a link below. I have here a program that prints out Leroy Jenkins regards shenanigans, and I'm about to use my voice to edit the code. Keep an eye on this little view here, which is where I have the speech-to-text program type things. This view is watching for anything typed into it, and when it sees a complete command, it executes it. I'm about to tell the parser to wake up and then select line 9. Resurrect. Ship lab 9. Pause. So I just said ship lab 9. Ship means select and lab means line, so I really just said select line 9, which is what happened. I'm now going to do some miscellaneous editing. Resurrect. Spike. Ship lab 3, spacer, Leroy Jenkins. Spike. Paint, spacer, hello, my name is Evan. Shave. Pause. There's no compile and run command yet, so I'm just going to hit this button. And good, it prints out what we want. I'm now going to make it also print out number 30. Resurrect. Great lab 9. Paint kettle kettle. Paint capital system dot out dot print lima nova lac 30 rack snap. Shave. Pause. Now we run it again, and it prints out what we wanted. Excellent. So we know it's possible. Now I'm going to talk about what's going on behind the scenes. This view here was originally made so that Mac dictation could type into it the words I'm saying. It worked, but just barely. The problems were that the Mac dictation was terrible. It was always misinterpreting what I was saying. Eclipse was always running extremely slow whenever dictation was on, and while the focus is on the text input in the view, I can't see where the cursor is in the actual editor. The cursor only shows up when we actually focus the editor, which was a problem. So here's what's actually going on. This view not only receives text input as if I type into it, but it also listens on a socket for incoming text, which it just drops into the text field. Broadcasting to this socket is another computer running Windows, which is running a better voice recognition program called Dragon Naturally Speaking. And when I say another computer running Windows, I actually mean a virtual machine, which is right here. Watch what it does. Resurrect. Ranger Lab 5, Final Lab 5, Crafter String. Spike. Paint capital object. Shave. Pause. And we run it. And good, it prints out what we wanted. So what you just saw there was it's actually speaking into a web page, which is sending the text to a local Tomcat server, which is then sending the text to the socket that the Eclipse view is listening on. There's a whole story on why that's all necessary, but I won't go into that here. Anyway, that's a little demo of using the voice to program, so until next time.